What's up, YouTube? This is your friend and mentor, MrDavinci. As always, thank you for tuning in to another video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be uploading videos every 3 days out the week. Can't give you a day yet because I'm not too sure, but 3 days out the week, possibly four, I will be uploading videos on a consistent basis. So definitely subscribe, hit that like button. Now, with that out the way, this video is called How to Create Content for YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different steps on how I go about creating content for YouTube that I definitely feel that could apply to you. So let me come up here on my computer, go and draw. Hold on a second. I'm going to draw 3 circles. Each one of these circles is going to represent something different. I will explain that momentarily. Just let me finish this. I know my circle's kind of messed up, but bear with me. So before we get into that, what is content? Let me break this down before we continue. Let me draw another circle. I think this is it. Yep, this is it. Ooh. All right. So what is content? Content. Hold on. I got you. All right. So you're going to draw a stick, man. Right. So this is me. I mean, I'm a lot taller than this, but all right. This is me. And here we're going to draw an arrow. All right. This is you. This is you. Pretty sure you don't look like this, but let's say you do. 2 arms, 2 legs. Yeah, you got a lot of hair, don't you? Okay, so what is content? Content is, hold on. Content is this what helps build awareness to people who have never seen or heard of me. So primarily people watching this video, aside from those who's on my email list and already subscribed to my YouTube channel, those are people who have never seen me before. This is called what we call a cold audience. And another way which I could get warm traffic or hot traffic would be through paid advertising on social media while leveraging free traffic through search engines like Google and YouTube, which is, if you're watching this video, you're probably watching this on Google or YouTube because I'm ranking for this term. Now, here's what you need to know when you're creating content. You need to focus on, let's draw a C. The C stands for creativity. The I stands for impact. The other I stands for influence. S and A stands for stay ambitious. Gonna make this a T. That stands for TB, which means think big, be driven, have a purpose, move fast, take action, learn, fail, adjust, and repeat. Now, I just said the rest because I need the rest of this room to show you the rest of my demonstration. Now, what you need to know while creating content is you need to enjoy the present moment while staying competitive, making data-driven decisions, have tunnel vision on my goals and dream, minimize risk, control the framework, reshape the narrative, stay in control, and control what you can. Now, when creating content, I want you to know you're going to suck in the beginning. I'm not going to sugarcoat and lie to you any other way. Your first few videos are going to be bad, but as long as you stay consistent, I'm not telling you upload every day, because that era of where you have to upload every day, I'm not going to say it's not valid, but YouTube ranks videos differently now than how they used to. So it's okay if you don't make a video every day. However, you do need to be uploading on a consistent basis, meaning you need to be pumping out at least 3 to 4 different videos a week, which is why I mentioned I will pump 3 to 4 videos a week. I've been testing this strategy on my other YouTube, and I've gotten great results. I'd love to show you that in another video, but not this video, because this video is how to create content for YouTube. So, what is the first kind of content that you need to make? And that is an opt-in landing page. Now, for those of you who don't know what an opt-in or a landing page is, that is the basic beginnings to a sales funnel. A sales funnel, which I will show you in another video, is how you go about getting people to join your email list for you to promote your product or service to them for the long term, delivering valuable information and tools that can help them. If you're on my email list, you should already be aware of this because I send you emails quite frequently, and it depends on how you want to go about emailing. Me personally, when I email my list, I email them, of course, my new videos, my new blog posts, but I also send them tools that can help them. I've been on digital marketing for the last 3.5 years, and I'm just trying to help people on my list shorten their learning curve as much as possible so that they can get straight into it. Me personally, I don't like to get into the fluff. I just like to give straight details. I also send inspirational videos from other people who help give me insight of what I'm doing. And, I feel free for them to check it out because there's a lot of information on the internet. It just depends on where you're getting the information from and from who you're receiving it from. So, moving on to the next circle, which is VSL. And this stands for Video Sales Letter. All right, so this is the second part of your sales funnel, unless you're doing the product page. But if you're doing the service page, this should be the second part of your sales funnel. And the video sales letter, what you want to do is you want to make a video like this, except you want to be showing your face so the people know who you are. The reason I can't show my face is because my camera messed up and my lighting's not too good. But that's something we'll work on towards the future. Moving on from that, in the video sales letter, you want to introduce yourself about who you are, what you do, how you're going to help them, what problem you're solving, and what is your solution to helping those who join your email list or your newsletter. Well, technically, those are the same thing. But I just want to break it down because some people understand things in a different term and phrase. Moving on from that. Lastly is, hold on, sorry about that. Content that delivers organic. All right, so content that delivers organic, meaning videos like how I'm doing right now. Now, this video is basically to help people solve how to create content on YouTube. I'm solving a solution to people that's interested in making content, but they may not have content ideas. That'll be a separate video, content ideas. But they don't know how to go about creating content or what is content. So let me show you how I went about finding this so that you can do this too. It's a very good method. I was coming across this when I was making my video earlier. So, all right. Hopefully that didn't distract you. But as you can see right here, I was originally typing in create content for YouTube. And as you can see, there's no search volume for that. That is a free tool, by the way. You can download in the Google Chrome store extension. The Google Chrome extension store. What? I'll show you another video how to do that. And how I went about finding this was I have a free tool called TubeBuddy. I'll leave that. That'll be the second link in the description. Check it out. As you can see right here, the search volume is about 32.79%, which is vaguely, I'll do a decent job of ranking for this video, but that's not what I'm focus on. As you see, the competition score is 76 out of 100, so I have a good chance of ranking for this. But what I did was I went up to YouTube, I typed in the search bar. All right, so let's just get rid of this. Let's pretend this how to create content. As you can see, I typed in the search bar. This is what came up, and I just clicked on YouTube, thus showing the video how I go about creating content for YouTube. But yeah, so that's how you create content for YouTube. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment below. I will be responding in the first 24 hours of this video being uploaded. As always, thank you for watching. This